Let me show you how to quickly master cutting clips in After Effects. It's quick and simple, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Now let's get started. Once your video is imported, drag the footage into your timeline to create a composition. To cut your clips, start by moving the playhead to the exact point in the timeline where you want to make the cut. This is the key step because After Effects doesn't have a direct cut tool like some other editing softwares like Premiere Pro, for example. Now, with the playhead in position, select the clip you want to cut in the timeline. Then press Ctrl-Shift-D on Windows or Command-Shift-D on Mac. This splits the clip in two parts at the playhead position. Here's a tip. If you're working with multiple layers and want to cut them all at the same point, select all the layers quickly by holding down Shift or pressing Ctrl-A, Command-A on Mac, before using the split shortcut. This saves time when dealing with complex timelines. If you want to remove part of the clip entirely, select the unwanted segment and press Delete on your keyboard. You can then drag the remaining clips to close the gap if needed. For more precise control, zoom in on the timeline by pressing the plus key on your keyboard. This lets you see individual frames and ensures your cut is exactly where you want. Here's another pro tip. If you need to cut your clip with precision while reviewing the footage, press the page up or page down keys to move the playhead one frame at a time. This helps you position your cut perfectly at the right moment. If you need to trim the beginning or end of a clip instead of cutting it in the middle, drag the edges of the clip in the timeline. Hover over the start or end of the clip until you see a double arrow cursor. Then click and drag to adjust the length. Once your clips and trims are complete, preview your work by pressing the spacebar. If everything looks good, then you're good to go. I hope this tutorial helped.